In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully publish your Wix website. This is an exciting step because you're about to make all your hard work available for the world to see. So, let's dive into the process and explore it step by step together. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all your website magic happens. If you're not sure how to get there, simply log into your Wix account and select the site you're working on. Once you've entered the editor, you'll be greeted with the familiar interface you've been crafting away in. Take a moment to ensure everything looks just the way you want it to. Feel free to make any last-minute tweaks or adjustments. Alright, when you're happy with how your site looks, the next move is to publish it. Look towards the top right corner of your editor screen and you'll see a bold button labeled Publish. Go ahead and click on that. It's like the golden key, unlocking your site for everyone on the internet to explore. This action saves all your edits and gets your website ready to go live. Don't worry if you're feeling a bit of nervous excitement at this moment. That simply means you care about your creation, and that's a good thing. Now, once you've clicked the Publish button, you should look for the highlight pop-up or notification that indicates your site is successfully published. Generally, this is a confirmation from Wix, and it typically appears on the screen to reassure you that the process went smoothly. This confirmation often includes a green checkmark or a message saying, "Your site is published." You might want to refresh your page and even visit your live site through the provided link just to check that everything is displaying correctly. At this point, you officially have a live website. Congratulations! You can now share your site's URL with friends, family, and potential visitors. You've done an amazing job getting to this point. To maintain a successful online presence, remember that the work doesn't end here. Regular updates, engaging content, and keeping your site's information relevant and fresh will keep visitors coming back for more. If you ever need to make changes or improvements, you always have the option to return to the Wix editor, make edits, and click that Publish button again to update your live site. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to publish your Wix website. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're as thrilled as I am to take your site live. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and happy website building.